Her på Louisiana der er vi rigtig glade for at være partner i Tate Turbine-projektet. Vi synes, det giver de unge mennesker, som arbejder sammen med den engelske workshopleder Albert Petroni, rigtig meget. Og vi er introduceret til kunsten ved hjælp af handskrift og metoder. Men vi synes også, at Tate Turbine-projektet giver os en masse nye idéer, som vi kan føre videre i vores egen undervisning på Louisiana.
We've got lots of cardboard to construct something if you want it to, like mathematics. But you don't have to. There's all these options of different things we can make. Okay? Good. So you forgot about locations. you don't really worry about those. Right.
Here at Louisiana today, running a turbine generation workshop with 16 and 17-year-olds. The focus really today was on time and place and using Tacita Dean's work as inspiration and looking at quite a few of the different approaches that Tacita uses and showing those to the students so that they could come up with different ways to weave fact and fiction together, to frame things in different ways and look at different ways of looking and different ways of seeing things, really using the light and the environment and the place that we're in here at Louisiana.
That's also quite interesting that sort of maybe just filming those effects and not really seeing how they are made. You just sort of focus on this. So I think this is simplicity sometimes is the best thing.
Nu har vi arbejdet med eleverne fra 1. S på Esbjerg her på Louisiana i dag. De har fået nogle ret frie opgaver, nogle meget kreative opgaver, og de har taget imod dem, synes jeg, på en meget spændende måde, har arbejdet videre, har udviklet nogle meget kreative løsninger på de oplæg, kunstneren Albert har lagt.
De bliver fascineret af en eller anden ting og leger med det, og den der legeproces bliver så mere og mere raffineret, kan man sige. Og det er nok det projekt, der kommer ud af det her, det er, at de får en fornemmelse af, at der er en glidende overgang fra leg til en kunstnerisk bearbejdning af et eller andet produkt.
Been really impressed with the results. I think there's been fantastic work, really high quality, and we're really looking forward to what the young people come up with at the end of the